Looking for a quality food concession trailer? Turn to Colony Cargo LLC. We offer basic vending or cook-ready options for you to choose from. We carry a wide variety of models and can design your food concession trailer to suit your specific needs. Whether you plan on simply catering or you plan to cook and serve the food, our goal is to have you leave the yard, head back to your state for inspection, and start cooking immediately. We offer both vending and concession trailers, enclosed trailers, cargo trailers, as well as barbecue porch trailers with smoker grill options. When you come to pick up your trailer, you leave with a complete operation package, and we're here to answer any questions you have. You can view our food concession trailers that are available on our website at colonycargo.com or give us a call at 866-618-2186 to learn more about custom trailer options.